Today, we're showing you how to properly apply paint protection film, or PPF, to your car's hood. Start by washing the hood thoroughly and drying it completely. Next, use a computer program to cut the exact PPF pattern for your specific vehicle. Spray the hood with the proper PPF solution. Carefully lay the film onto the hood. It's best to have at least 2 people for this process. Spray as needed and refit the PPF so every section of the hood is covered. Use a squeegee to remove all air pockets. This can be time consuming, but it's absolutely essential. If you find an air pocket, lift the PPF, release the air, and reapply it. Continue removing all air pockets, checking and rechecking the hood, applying more solution if needed. Use your hands and fingers to ensure all grooves, edges, and angles are completely covered. Finally, let the vehicle dry. Once it sets, your hood is protected and looking flawless. Applying the PPF takes skill and precision. Even small mistakes can affect the finish. Uniseal's trained team have applied PPF to countless makes and models, giving us the experience and the tools to deliver a flawless installation that protects your paint and keeps your vehicle looking its best. Call us today for a free, no obligation quote or visit us online at unisealusa.com.